The cytoplasm is part of the cell outside the largest organelle, the nucleus. Cytoplasm appears as the thick, gel-like semi-transparent fluid that is found in both plant and animal cells. It is bounded by the plasma membrane and contains many organelles in a eukaryotic cell, a cell containing a membrane-bounded nucleus. The constituent parts of the cytoplasm are cytosol, organelles, and cytoplasmic inclusions. The cytosol, the aqueous part of the cytoplasm outside all of the organelles, also contains its own distinctive proteins. Cytosol is part of the cytoplasm that is not occupied by any organelle. It accounts for almost 70% of the total cell volume. Cytosol, cytoplasmic matrix, like many colloidal systems, shows the property of phase reversal. Under natural conditions, the phase reversal of the cytosol, cytoplasmic matrix, depends on various physiological, mechanical, and biochemical activities of the cell. It is a gelatinous substance consisting mainly of cytoskeleton filaments, organic molecules, salt, and water. Chemically, the cytoplasmic matrix is composed of many chemical elements in the form of atoms, ions, and molecules. The cytoplasmic matrix consists of various kinds of ions. The ions are important in maintaining osmotic pressure and acid-base balance in the cells. Retention of ions in the matrix produces an increase in osmotic pressure and, thus, the entrance of water into the cell. The concentration of various ions in the intracellular fluid, matrix, differs from that in the interstitial fluid. For example, in the cell, K+ and Mg++ can be high, and Na+ and Cl high outside the cell. In muscle and nerve cells, a high order of difference exists between intracellular K+ and extracellular Na+. Free calcium ions, Ca++, may occur in cells or circulating blood. Silicon ions occur in the epithelium cells of grasses. Chemical compounds present in the cytosol are conventionally divided into two groups, organic and inorganic. Organic compounds form 30% of a cell. Rest are the inorganic substances such as water and other substances. Properties of the cytoplasmic matrix. Most of the physical properties of the matrix are due to its colloidal nature. The cytosol shows the Tyndall effect, light scattering by particles in colloidal solution, and Brownian motion, random moving of particles. Due to the phase reversal property of the cytoplasmic matrix, the intracellular streaming or movement of the matrix takes place and is known as cyclosis. Cyclosis usually occurs in the sol phase of the matrix and is affected by the hydrostatic pressure, temperature, pH, viscosity, etc. Cyclosis has been observed in most animal and plant cells. The amoeboid movement depends directly on cyclosis. The amoeboid movement occurs in the protozoans, leukocytes, epithelia, mesenchymal and other cells. Due to cyclosis, matrix moves these pseudopodia and this causes the forward motion of the cell. The cytoplasmic matrix, being a liquid, possesses the property of surface tension. The proteins and lipids of the matrix have less surface tension, therefore, occur at the surface and form the membrane, while the chemical substances such as sodium chloride have high surface tension, therefore, occur in the deeper part of the matrix. Besides surface tension and adsorption, the matrix possesses other mechanical properties, e.g., elasticity, contractility, rigidity, and viscosity, which provide the matrix with many physiological utilities. The colloidal system, due to its stable phase, gives polarity to the cell matrix, which cannot be altered by centrifugation of other mechanical means. The matrix has a definite pH value and it does not tolerate significant variations in its pH. Yet various metabolic activities produce a small number of excess acids or bases, which is maintained by certain chemical compounds as carbonate-bicarbonate buffers. The matrix is a living substance and possesses various biological properties such as irritability, conductivity, movement, metabolic activity, growth, and reproduction. Organelles. Cytoplasm contains all the organelles like the nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, and Golgi apparatus. Besides, it also contains chloroplast in plant cells. Each organelle is bounded by a lipid membrane and has specific functions. Cytoplasmic inclusion. Some insoluble suspended substances are found in the cytosol. They are basically granules of starch and glycogen, and they can store energy. Besides, Crystals of some minerals and lipid droplets can also be found in the cytoplasm. Lipid droplets act as storage sites for fatty acids and steroids. Functions of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the site of many vital biochemical reactions crucial for maintaining life. 1. It is the place where cell expansion and growth take place. 2. It provides a medium in which the organelles can remain suspended. 3. Besides, the cytoskeleton found in the cytoplasm gives shape to the cell and facilitates its movement. 4. It also assists the movement of different elements found within the cell. The enzymes found in the cytoplasm break down the macromolecules into small parts so that they can be easily used by the other organelles like mitochondria. For example, mitochondria cannot use glucose present in the cell unless it is broken down by the enzymes into pyruvate. They act as catalysts in glycolysis, as well as in the synthesis of fatty acids, sugar, and amino acid. 5. Cell reproduction, protein synthesis, anaerobic glycolysis, and cytokinesis are some other vital functions that are carried out in the cytoplasm. However, the smooth operation of all these functions depends on the existence of cytoplasm, as it provides the medium for carrying out these vital processes.